Good afternoon, everybody. Chris with Amvic again. Got a phone call earlier from one of our distributors that was looking for a cross-section of a wall with a brick ledge in it. And it got me to thinking that most people probably don't know the depths of our website. So I thought I'd take an opportunity to run you guys through some simple stuff on our website. Now, as a territory manager, I'll always answer your call. Any of us will. You have a question you want to call us? Cool, we'll answer. We'll get you the information you need. But if you're out in the field and you can pull up your phone and you need an answer right away, a whole lot of times you can find that answer right on our website. So here we are on our homepage, amvicsystem.com or amvic.com will work. And you see all of the general tabs, right? You can learn about our products. You can learn about the advantages of our product. This is a great tab. In this tab, we've taken and said, if you're a DIYer, if you're a builder, if you're a developer, an architect, whatever you might be, this is the reason our product should work best for your specific situation. If you click our Technical Resources tab, you'll be able to find just about any information you could ever dream of. Now, here we are on the Technical Resources page of our website. It's going to have some updates soon, but all the information is still going to be here. It's just going to look a little bit different. So if you run down here and find product documentation, under this tab you will find just about all the information you'll ever need on any of our products. Now what we're looking for is information on insulated concrete form situations. So we're going to go in here, but as you can see, if you scroll down, you see all of our different products and offerings, and you'll be able to find resources on all of those. Obviously, we have the most resources on ICFs. It's the majority of what we do, and it's probably the most technical thing we do. So let's go in here. Right off the bat on this first page, you'll find our product data sheets. For general information, this sheet will answer just about anything you ever need. Right down to the form capacity, our high blowout strength of 865 psi, foam densities, flame spread, anything you can think of. And then you can roll down here and see how much concrete per block, things like that. So let's get out of there. What we were specifically looking for was a cross section of a wall with a brick ledge. So you can come down here, and that's going to be in construction details. You can find these details in DWG or PDF. If you're an architect or a designer out there and you want to drop some of these details on your print, by all means, go download them, put them in there. On that note, we also have Revit models. So we're looking for a brick ledge and a wall. So right here, it actually just happens to be the one right on top, 6-inch wall with a brick ledge. So let's look at that. The particular guy that called needed to supply this to the inspector. A lot of times, the inspector is just going to be perfectly happy with this, and you can go on your merry way. So back to this page, again, technical bulletin, safety data, warranty, anything you could ever dream of is right here. Now, for some reason you've got something going on, something weird, give us a call. We'll get you an answer. You can either go up here to contact us and call the toll-free number, send us a message, or you can contact your territory manager. If you don't know who that is, you can follow that link and see all of our pretty faces right over here. Every one of us. Okay? And we're broken up by region. If there's a question, just get a hold of one of us. We'll get you to the right person. Hope everybody's staying safe out there. Have a good one.